Alright, today I'm going to show you how to start your mandala. So you're going to take a compass. So I have these kind of compasses. You want to place the center of the compass in about center of your paper. And you want to make sure that this point out here isn't going to go off the edge of your paper. So you're going to mark the center. You're going to hold your finger down. If you're right-handed, hold it with your left hand in the center. And if you're left-handed, hold it with your right hand. Place your pencil inside the hole. I'm going to fire this in because I want the biggest circle possible. And give it a spin. And I know some of this is outside the camera, but you'll get the idea. And when you come around, make sure you kind of work around your arm as much as you can. So it's made my circle. I've marked the center. So now I'm going to take my protractor and make sure that this T right here on the 2 is where I line up my center point. Where that center point is lines up on the cross right in the middle of that T. And I'm going to mark every 30 degrees, starting with my 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180 should line up with the 0 over there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marks and the center mark. I'm not going to do it on the other side because I only need 2 marks to draw a straight line. So now I'm going to get my ruler and I'm going to use my 2 marks. So my center mark, and I line it up with my other mark, and I draw from one edge of the circle to the other. So I draw all the way across the circle. So this is the diameter all the way across. And I do it again with the next mark. It can go past the circle. That's not going to bother me because we will cut these out in the end. So by the time I am done, I should end up with 12 equally sized pie shapes. They should all be 30-degree angles. Last one. So there's my 12 pie shapes in a circle. And then you need a blank white piece of paper. Go to the light table. Lay it down and trace. And it needs to be as close to accurate as possible. Trace one of the pie shapes. They should be the same size, so it shouldn't matter which one you trace. Notice that I've got room on both sides of it, in case I want to do one side or the other for mirroring it. So I kind of put it out in the middle of this paper. Okay? So then I'm going to draw a face. It can be a creative face. It doesn't have to be a realistic face. On half of it. I'm going to create half of the face. So I think I'll do this half over here. I'm going to create a shape for my head. I'm going to put an eye in there for a shape. And a nose shape. A mouth shape. Needs an eyebrow, I think. You don't have to put an eyebrow on if you don't want to. If you don't like something, erase it or trace again, another pie shape, as long as you have room on one side or the other to do it. Need a neckline. Give him a straight neck. Shoulder. Give him a shirt of some sort. So there's a collar line. Give him some hair if you want. Give him an ear if you want. Then you need to finish designing the rest of this space in here. Since I have a lot of empty space, it needs something. I think I'll give him an ear of some sort. You don't have to stay to human proportions if you don't want. It's all up to you. You can use the compass if you want nice, neat circles. If you don't care, you just want to put some curves, then go for it. So I'm just going to continue designing this first half of